Hi guys, this is Chef Jagadeesh. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I am going to show you lockdown and monsoon recipe sweet corn fritters. If you are first time visiting my channel, hit the subscribe button. For more updates, hit the bell icon. If you have any doubts about this recipe, please drop a comment.
Ingredients for the sweet corn fritters. Let's go for the preparation. The first step, take corns, peel everything like this. I think some people don't know how to peel sweet corns. Look at this, how I am peeling. Do like this only. Peel everything one by one. Take a bowl, add peeled sweet corns, one by 4 cup of capsicum, 1 by 4 cup of onion, 1 by 4 cup of carrots. Now I am adding mixed herbs. Next, I am going to add pepper, next I am going to add all-purpose flour, and I am breaking egg. Mix all ingredients together. Next I am going to add 2 spoons of water and 1 tablespoon of oil. Again I am going to mix well. Next I am going to add salt. Again I am mixing well. Combine all ingredients together. The sweet corn fritters batter ready. Next step, heat a pan with pouring some oil or any butter. Scoop some mixture and drop into the pan. Make this type of shapes. Cook on low flame. After few minutes, flip the corn fritter and cook evenly. Cook each side more than 5 minutes. Until turn into golden color. Again flip the corn fritter. Remove from the pan and serve it hot. Please try this lockdown and monsoon recipe and please drop a comment. Look at this, our delicious monsoon recipe sweet corn fritters ready.
If you would like this video, like, share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.